Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Have you ever wondered why your hair seems thinner after a crash diet? Or why your skin loses its glow and your energy plummets? Today, our nutritionist talks, from celebrity diet secrets to the truth about supplements. She explains why so many people struggle with bloating, hair fall, and slow metabolism. They are direct signals from your body telling you that something is wrong. Fast weight loss diets promise a quick transformation. They offer a simple solution to a complex problem. The idea of dropping a dress size in a week is very appealing. It feels like you are finally taking control of your health. The number on the scale goes down, and for a moment, it feels like a victory. The modern world pushes us toward instant gratification. We want results, and we want them now. This desire extends to our health and our bodies. Magazines, social media. These stories create a powerful illusion. They make us believe that losing weight quickly is not only possible, but also desirable. We see the after photos and want that same dramatic change for ourselves. This pressure can be immense, making it hard to resist the lure of a diet that promises fast, easy results without much effort. However, the number on the scale can be very deceptive. What does that number actually represent?
Yes. When you drastically reduce the amount of food you eat, your body does not know you are on a diet. It cannot tell the difference between a deliberate calorie cut and a genuine famine. Your body is an incredibly intelligent and adaptive machine. Its primary goal is survival. When it senses a severe lack of incoming energy, it triggers a series of ancient survival mechanisms. It perceives the situation as a threat. It thinks you are starving, so it immediately goes into a state of high alert to protect itself and conserve every bit of energy it can. One of the first things your body does is slow down your metabolism. Your metabolism is the engine that burns calories to power all your bodily functions, from breathing to thinking. When food is scarce, your body wisely turns down the thermostat on this engine. It becomes more efficient at running on fewer calories. This means you burn less energy throughout the day, even when you are resting. This is a brilliant survival tactic in a famine, but it is the exact opposite of what you want when you are trying to lose weight in a healthy way. This slowdown has profound effects. You might start to feel constantly cold. Your gut is home to trillions of tiny organisms, collectively known as your gut microbiome. These bacteria play a vital role in your overall health, digesting food, supporting your immune system. They thrive on a diverse diet rich in fiber fruits, vegetables, whole grains. When you go on a fast, restrictive diet, you starve these beneficial gut bacteria. The variety of foods you eat plummets, and so does the diversity of your microbiome. This can lead to an imbalance where less helpful bacteria begin to take over. This imbalance in your gut can cause a host of digestive issues. You might experience bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea. Your ability to absorb nutrients from the little food you are eating becomes compromised. This is because a healthy gut microbiome is essential for breaking down food and making vitamins and other crucial compounds available to your body. When your gut health suffers, your overall health suffers too. You are not just what you eat, you are what you absorb, and a damaged gut is not good at absorption. One of the most damaging consequences of rapid weight loss is the loss of muscle mass. When you create a very large calorie deficit, your body needs energy from somewhere. It will break down fat, but it will also break down muscle tissue to convert it into glucose for fuel. This is especially true if you are not doing any strength training to signal to your body that your muscle is important. Losing muscle is a huge problem because muscle is metabolically active tissue. This means it burns calories even when you are at rest. The more muscle you lose, the slower your metabolism becomes. Think of it this way. For every pound of muscle you lose, your body's daily calorie burning capacity decreases. This makes it progressively harder to continue losing weight. It also sets you up for rapid weight regain once you stop the diet. When you start eating normally again, your metabolism is slower than when you started. This means you will regain the weight, and often more, even if you are eating the same amount of food as before the diet. Most of this regained weight will be fat, not the muscle you lost. Many people believe that simply eating a lot of protein can prevent this muscle loss. Instead of chasing a fast temporary fix, we should aim for a slow, sustainable transformation. The goal is not just to lose weight, but to build a healthier body and a lifestyle that lasts. This requires a patient and kind approach. The first step is to ensure you are eating enough protein. Aim to include a source of protein with every meal, such as eggs, chicken, fish, beans, lentils. This helps you feel full and provides the building blocks to maintain your muscle mass, which is crucial for a healthy metabolism. Second, prioritize fiber. Fiber is found in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes. The journey to better health is not a sprint, it is a marathon. The dramatic before and after pictures we see online do not show the whole story. They do not show the subsequent rebound weight gain, the damaged metabolism, the toll on hair, the toll on skin, the toll on mental well-being. True success is not measured by how quickly you can lose weight. It is measured by your ability to build healthy habits you can maintain for the rest of your life, leading to lasting health and vitality. It is about moving consistently in the right direction. If you want to live longer and healthier, don't forget to subscribe.